What's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to get free gems, energy and coins in Baseball 9 to upgrade and unlock any player in the game. As you can see on your screen, I have 58 million gems and 22 million coins in my account, which I got for free by the way. And if I click on this, as you can see, my Baseball 9 gems and coins balance remains 100% the same. Trust me guys, this mod works for both iOS and Android. Just open any browser on your device and go to cashtut.com. It will bring you to this page, and all you simply need to do is scroll down until you find the Baseball 9 mod. Then click on it. It will bring you to this page where you can get the mod right away. Just select your device, be it iOS or Android, to ensure you download the correct version for your device. It will then begin the installation process. And once it is completed, the Baseball 9 Gems mod will be installed to your device instantly.